Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to select Sounds and Vibration. Now scroll down again and tap on the shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here you can select Vibrate by clicking on it. When you're ready, click on the back button and scroll all the way down. Then tap on More Sounds and Vibration. Finally, you can click on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration and Touch Vibration to switch on or off those two features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!